Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Smarty Marty's mom from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And now let's add another set of circles inside. And then color both of these in black. Now let's add another circle around each eye to thicken it up slightly. And then add some eyelashes on top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across and bring it up on the left side. Then curve it down on both sides towards the center. Now above the mouth, let's draw 2 bumps for the lips. And now let's hop inside and add the teeth. Let's draw 2 V-shaped points at the top in the center, and then a smaller set on the sides. And then 2 more at the bottom. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up on the top right and add the bow. On top of the right eye, let's draw a small rectangle. Then from the top, let's bring it over, down, and back in on both sides. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down, bring it around the face, and down like this. Now let's hop to the right side and let's draw a curve down and bring it behind the bow to the mouth. And then another wavy curve underneath. Now let's hop up and let's add the top part of the head. At the top here, let's draw a small curve. Then from the sides, let's bring it out, down, and back in. And the same thing on the right, connecting it to the bow. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw some details. Let's start inside above each eye and let's draw a long skinny oval. And the same thing above the bow. Then add a curve on top of each one. Now next to the oval on the inside, let's draw 2 bumps for the lips. Now inside on both sides, let's draw a rounded rectangle shape like this for the top and bottom rows of the teeth. And then add some stripes inside. And now let's color the inside in black. Now let's hop up inside the top of the head and let's draw another set of larger mouths. Let's start with a larger oval, and the same on the right. Now outside, let's add the lips. Let's draw 2 bumps for the top lip, and then on the opposite side, 1 curve for the bottom lips. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a set of rounded rectangles for the top and bottom row of teeth. And then add the stripes inside. And then color the insides in black. And that's it for the upper mouths. Now let's move down and let's draw one more set. On the bottom left corner, let's draw 2 curves and 1 curve on the bottom right. Then on top, let's draw the upper lip with 2 bumps. Then hop inside and let's draw the teeth in the same way as before. And then add the stripes inside. And lastly, let's color the insides in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's zoom out and draw the body. Let's start at the bottom and let's continue both of the lines by curving it out and back in, going downwards. Now let's add the first set of tentacles. From the bottom right, let's step up and let's draw a large curve up, over to the right, and back in at the end. Then for the end, let's curve it up. Then on top, let's draw another curve, following it all the way down and underneath in the center. Now for the left side, let's draw a large curve over to the left and bring it down at the end. Then let's curve it up. And again, one more curve back in towards the center. And that's it for the shape of the first set of tentacles. Now let's add some details inside. At the ends, let's draw some curves on the outside, and the same on the right tentacle. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a bunch of small ovals. You can follow my pattern or create your own. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And now let's color all of these in black. And that's it for the first set of tentacles. Now let's draw the second set. Let's start on top on the left side and let's draw another S-shaped curve up and bring it down. Now under the top curve, let's draw a curve down and to the right. And then from underneath, one more curve down on the left side. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right tentacle. On the bottom right, let's draw a wavy line up, wave it over and down like this. Then from the end, let's curve it upwards. Then inside, let's follow that same curve across and back down. Now let's move inside and let's draw the suction cup details. Inside the right tentacle at the end, let's draw a bunch of small ovals. And then along the underneath, let's draw curved lines all the way down. Now let's hop over to the left side. Inside the left section, let's draw small ovals. And then underneath the right side, let's draw curves. And now let's color all of these in black. And that's it for the second set of tentacles. Now let's draw the third and last set behind. Let's start on the left side and let's draw another curve up and over, bringing it down on the left. Then for the end, let's curve it back in. And let's do the same thing on the right side, going up and out. Now underneath, let's add curved lines for the suction cups. And then color all of these in black. And that's it for Smarty Marty's mom. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!